Hello little artists, I'm Mariana Olson and today we're drawing a pumpkin spice latte. Are you ready? Let's do this! Okay, let's start on the top of the paper and we're gonna do a curvy line that looks kind of like half of an oval shape. So I'm gonna start on the left side and I'm gonna go really slow to the right and it's just a little back. See? Now I'm gonna do a line down and I'm gonna close this oval or curvy line I did, following the same shape and very close. Good. Now I'm gonna do down here the cup. So let's start with this diagonal line that goes down, and again try to go super slow if you can. And in the right side I'm just gonna go halfway. Okay, so let's do down and we stop right there. Now let's close the cup on the bottom and we stop right there because here we're gonna do the pumpkin. So let's start with the letter C. It's kind of like a C shape, and up here I'm gonna do another kind of like a C shape on the bottom, one more, and let's repeat the same on the right side. It's kind of like a backwards C shape. Now up here I'm going to do the pumpkin stem, and let's just go up on the line and go down, and in behind we're going to do another curvy line that goes behind the stem. There we go. Now let's continue with the whipped cream that the cup has on the top. So we're going to start by doing a curvy line each side, and now let's go with another curvy line that goes in a little, and the other side the same thing, goes in a little, and on top here I'm gonna do one more a little smaller and one that goes up, and this one is going down and joins with the bottom one. Now the next step is doing curvy lines right here, kind of like giving a little bit more shape to the whipped cream. And let's close the bottom one. Okay, so let's close this one. Let's just go super slow, and you're gonna leave a space in between lines. There we go. The next step is gonna be the straw, and the straw comes behind the whipped cream, and this one is just a rectangle. Perfect. Now here I'm going to do the sleeve for the coffee, and just follow this line. We leave a space and we're going to do one more, and this one is going to stop right here on the pumpkin. Let's go and put some eyes, and for that I'm just doing U shapes. One U shape, and for his smile I'm doing another U shape, a tiny one. Good. Now let's put some details here. It's gonna look more fall. We put a little bit of a leaves here. So I'm doing just kind of like a U shapes together for these leaves. Now here I'm gonna do a curvy line that goes down, and around we're just gonna do oval shapes. Just like that. Perfect. And the last step to finish this draw is do the pumpkin eyes, and this time I'm just doing teeny tiny circles and a teeny tiny smile. There, we finished. Now my favorite part, let's color. If you like this video, don't forget to give us a big thumbs up, share with your friends, and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.